Once upon a time, I gracefully opened Photoshop to do a small edit and this stupid error popped on my screen. I thought it was a minor error, so I restarted Photoshop and the same thing happened. But just before I was gonna give up Photoshop for my entire life, I tried this. I opened Cortana search engine and searched for paint. I hit File in the left top corner and selected Open. I looked for the file that gave me the stupid error. Then I saved the file as a JPEG file on my desktop. But before hitting save, I prayed to the paint gods that they have fixed the error. And here came the moment of truth, the time to discover if the Paint app still deserves to live freely in my computer. I went back to Photoshop and opened the image that I saved on my desktop from Paint. That's when I remembered to tell you to subscribe ASAP.